Today I'm going to demonstrate briefly how to read the raw flux data out of old floppy disks using standard PC floppy drive connected directly to the Raspberry Pi GPIO. There's no external electronics, so this works just out of the box. I made this kernel module for Linux, which allows one to establish somewhat real-time timing, which typically tends to be a problem otherwise. Reading this sort of fast data from GPIO, but this should work fine. So let's begin by combining the kernel module. All these files, by the way, will be in GitHub if someone wants to try it out. Right, so we have this script here which should read the first track of this ms-boot floppy. There, it's reading it now. I also wrote this Python script which essentially extracts the MFM bits, the track data from raw voltage values that it first recorded from the GPIO pins. There, it's done now. It has generated this tracks MFM file using this raw byte data for track 0. It's quite a bit smaller because it has to record it at a rather high rate to be able to reliably extract the clocks and bits for the MFM data from the raw values. Anyway, now that we have generated this MFM file for the first track, we can use the floppy emulator to go look what we have there using the track analyzer. There you can see all the tracks are perfectly intact. I record a little bit more than a single rotation, so some of the tracks are duplicates, because basically the recording has no way of knowing what the exact location is. But okay, but there we have track 1, and as you can probably see in track 1, oops, we have ms-boot sector there, and all the CRCs are okay for each of the 18 sectors that we have on this side, track 0. I suppose I can, let's see, so that is track 1. Yeah, you can see the ms-boot sector there, as you would expect. All good. There's also a quick example how to move the head around if one wants to play with it. This basically just moves it one direction or another, and then there's also a way to detect when you're stepping back so that you have reached track 0. But that's all today. Thanks for watching.